Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world where construction meets innovation. Join me as we explore the cutting-edge advancements revolutionizing construction through robotics. Traditional construction methods have long grappled with challenges, inefficiencies, safety concerns, and limitations that hinder progress. But change is on the horizon. Enter robotics, the game-changer in construction. From autonomous vehicles shuttling materials to drones mapping sites with precision, and robotic arms executing tasks flawlessly, these innovations are reshaping how we build. The advantages are game-changing. Robotics in construction amplify efficiency, precision, and safety. They tackle repetitive tasks tirelessly, freeing human workers for more complex endeavors, and significantly reducing safety risks on site. But hold on to your hard hats, this is just the beginning. Imagine 3D printed structures emerging from robotic arms, AI-powered construction management optimizing every aspect, and modular buildings erected at lightning speed by robotic teams. The future is astonishingly promising. As we wrap up, it's evident that the fusion of robotics and construction isn't merely a collaboration, it's a paradigm shift. Join me in exploring this transformative field further. Share your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you found this exploration intriguing, and subscribe for more thrilling insights into the future of construction.